How to fix Snapchat ultra-wide camera option not showing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore the ultra-wide, that is 0.5 camera option in Snapchat for iOS and Android devices when it's missing due to app issues or feature rollouts. So let's get started. The first issue would be because of your application not updated. Here, I do have this option because my application is updated. If you're not having, you can simply head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that your Snapchat is updated. If it's updated and the issue is still there, you can simply click on your Bitmoji at the top left, and then you got to click on Settings. And here, you got to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the section of Support and Feedback. Here, click on Bugs and Suggestions. Then you got to click on Report a Bug. Over here, you got to click on Camera, click on Choose a Topic, click on Camera Features, and here you got to paste the issue, that is my account doesn't have access to ultra-wide options. So kindly fix that. And then you got to simply head over, click on Submit. So the Snapchat will resolve your issue. Meanwhile, you can simply go back and search for the specific lens of such as ultra-wide camera, and then you can use that lens over here. So that is basically how you can fix Snapchat ultra-wide camera option not showing. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.